What up, famous fam, and once again welcome back to another vlog. Today's vlog is gonna be a little bit different. Right now we're at a weekend getaway in New Hampshire for Tanya's birthday. Right now it's just me and Alex, but tomorrow Tanya's coming along with the whole crew and we're gonna get into a lot of shenanigans, so we'll catch y'all then. Cheers. Yes sir, let's go.
Jimmy on the beat, boy.
So welcome back, everyone. These guys are playing Jenga over here, so whoever drops the Jenga is going in the lake. So
1 hour later.
oh, the beer's getting warm. Ooh. Substance.
I'm so glad it wasn't me. And it was her rule the whole time.
Yeah, we need better. We need some lights. We need some batteries.
Yo, alright, so we're gonna shut the GoPro off, put a new battery in it, and get back to this.
I think I'm gonna keep my socks on.
Oh yeah, we do need a spotlight though.
Oh, you got lights.
Wait from right there.
We can see in the GoPro.
Why am I really doing this right now?
Because you set this rule.
I knew, but I said it was gonna be me. Because that's how life works.
Well, let me see if you can see from here. Nope. So we gotta go down there.
Okay.
Oh, not that way. This way.
Right here, Kathy. That could over here. Are you recording right now?
I'm
Alex?
recording. We rolling.
Oh, alright.
Oh,
Kathy,
this
do me a
looks really
favor.
low.
Do me a favor, Kathy.
Yeah.
Nah,
Take this?
it's like 5 feet over there.
It doesn't look like me.
Nah, it is.
Oh, I'm at the fog. I'm too fucked up.
Alright, so here you go. Take this, right? But it doesn't lock. Like
Okay,
the
I've
lock is
dealt with
broken.
It'll float, but we need Vic.
Yeah.
Vic is he's going to the truck.
Well, we need
he
better
really
camera
doing
angle.
Yo, Vic, get the drone.
Babe, I don't think I can belly flop.
You don't think you better fall?
No.
Alright, watch that.
Maybe do some karate kick or something.
Okay, I'll make something spectacular.
Yeah, Eric, get out
I promise.
the light.
Face that towards you.
Oh, the water not even as deep as it.
Nah, it's like 5 feet. Wait.
Is it towards me?
Not ready?
Wait a minute.
Is it towards me?
Summer Lake House, 2021. Let's do this. She lost in Jenga. She's going in the water.
And it's her own rule.
Yeah, the best.
All right, ready?
Line us full of fact. Wait a few. Let's go. Let me know if I gotta come get you. Don't worry about it. It's not even deep enough.
I should be good.
Your watch?
It's waterproof.
Okay.
Got my keys.
You said kung fu, right?
Kung Fu.
Something. Just get in the water.
Kung fu, belly flop, cannonball. Oh yeah! Welcome to the club.
Yo.
Lake House. Yeah, last time I was here, I was in the water this time of night.
Really?
Yeah. That's how fucked up we were, though.
Birthday girl!
Here we go, Tanya.
Oh, God.
Yo, pick up your shot glasses!
Por si se vira, no, nunca me extraña. No, nunca me extraña. Tengo un enemigo,
Si me muero mañana.
Un par de amigos son amigos de un par de enemigos. Entonces, si todos ellos son amigos de mis enemigos, pues son todos mis enemigos también. Y si yo me muero mañana, esto no es por mí. ya yo la viví. Como quise todos los días de la semana. Donde estaba no te vi. Yo me moví y mejor la salud.
I know I didn't do the intro for today, but as you guys can see so far, we are having a great time out here at the lake house for Tanya's 40th birthday. Give you guys a quick view of the lake house. So Alex is out on the jet ski somewhere. We're about to put the GoPro on the jet ski and he's gonna take y'all for a little ride.
Yeah.
We Team Henny all day over here.
Let 'em
Team
know what
Henny all
time it
day.
is.
It's super.
Okay?
Yep. Yeah, my leg. That's what? I don't know what you are, but
I got nailed right there. Yeah. Oh my God. That's not serious though, but I felt that heat up that shit, and I was.
Fuck that.
Let me see.
Fuck that.
I see that shit off the deck.
Did you get it? All I saw was everyone go, yo. Yo! And I said, no way, that's about to and no more.
Then
it hit literally right there. I said, holy fucking shit.
My man, literally, when I see it hit the deck and point this way,
Oh my God.
it worst part about it shoots one, it hit there, and then more came out.
The one that hit the deck.
I thought it was over, and then it came this way.
No. The one that hit the deck. I shot the ass. Yes.
Yeah, you hit
The white tee coming out. That's all I saw. The white tee coming out of the stretcher. That hit right over your head. Right over your head.
I got hit in the ass cheek. I got hit in the left ass cheek.
That hit right over your head. And I literally went.
Yo, I lit it standing up, and that shit said boom.
Yo, Melissa, you good?
Yo, I thought I was getting shot at. You good? Yo, I went through the door. Yo,
Yo, Mike, you think this is High Park Ave? No. You think it's High Park Ave?
Nigga, I got
We
hit.
at Elliott's crib? You remember that shit, right? High Park Ave?
You was back. I shot you. And I said,
Yo.
fine. Bust.